Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to play YouTube in the background on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open Google Chrome on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. After you open the web version of the YouTube app on your smartphone, then the next step is to open a video which you want to play in the background. For example, I will open this video. Now the next step is to tap on the three dots in Google Chrome, and from here you will find the option of desktop site. Just tap on it, and once you do that, you will open the desktop version of the YouTube app on your Google Chrome. Now finally, just play the video on your Google Chrome.
Hey guys, what's up?
And go to your home screen. And from here, if you swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center, you will either find a notification in the notification panel, which has a play button to play the video in the background, or you will find this media player over here with the video and the play button over here. Now just tap on the play button in the notification or in this icon to play the video in the background.
How to block ads on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. So guys, for this, all you guys have to do just go to settings and then scroll it down so that we have option of security and privacy here. Just tap on security and privacy. After that again scroll.
Now, as you can see, this is how you can play YouTube in the background on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.